Do you sell stocks when they grow high? I can understand how tempting it is to sell and book profits, but why we sell? Are we selling because of some fear? If you too have fear that stock price may go down after it goes up, then you are not alone. This is mindset when someone begins in investing, but don't worry. This video will show you other side, the side that stays calm and goes for long-term investing. You will be surprised to see the magic of long-term investing and how big it could get for you if you stop being a short-term investor.
Exactly. Think big. This is exactly what you need to do. You need to stop thinking with the beginner's mindset to see the big results in investing. And you just need to do a simple act, which is to think big. When I say think big, I mean you need to have to be able to wait. You need to be having patience. You need to be able to see the big picture. Okay, so when you sell the stocks today, you do not see the big picture, but when you keep them in your portfolio for a longer time, you are able to see the big picture, and that is what is going to make a big difference in the long run. Okay, so what's the biggest hurdle in thinking big? I believe it's the ability not to be able to predict the price. And I mean, I understand we cannot predict the price, but once you know the fundamentals, you have a really high chance of predicting the growth of the stock. So we have to look at in this way. If you cannot predict the price, at least understand the fundamentals and it will surely yield you the good result. Okay, so let's have a quick look on this chart for Costco. And with this video, I'm trying to explain that what are the differences when you go for a short-term investing and a long-term investing. And when you go for a short-term investing, you are missing on something huge, which could be very beneficial for you in the long run. So let's say you have a beginner's mindset, you just started investing and you buy stock at, let's say, at $961. It goes up to the value to 990 and you think you made enough profits and you sell it uh, with the fear that it may go down. And it is in fact true, stocks do come in cycles, they go up and down. But in this short term view, in this span of 30 days, what you are missing is a long term view. So what is a long term view? How does a stock behave in the long run? So you got to expand the time frame and you notice that it does go in cycles, but it eventually goes up if the fundamentals are good. And if you go for a longer time frame, you would notice you are missing out on huge chunks of growth. You could be somewhere here, you notice it has gone dip and you are worried about it, but don't worry if the fundamentals are good because it will eventually even out the losses and will grow up provided the fundamentals are good. So yeah, my point is you are missing on huge profits if you are sticking yourself to a short